Real estate crowdfunding is, as the name suggests, funding from the crowd. Crowdfunding campaigns are a great way to obtain the money necessarily for a project. With real estate crowdfunding, investors can raise money using social media for real estate or other websites. Real estate investors use crowdfunding as a way to find investment properties they wouldn't have access to. Some real estate crowdfunding websites are Perez, Fundraise, and CrowdStreet. Check them out if you are interested in crowdfunding for real estate. Tomorrow, Airbnb investments.